Welcome to the Builder's World. In today's episode, we are tracking the complete step-by-step construction of a modern concrete dome house, from the raw earth to the final sealed roof. Let's get started. The project begins with essential site preparation. The crew thoroughly levels the ground and lays down a heavy-duty plastic membrane. In dome construction, this waterproofing layer serves as a critical barrier, preventing underground moisture from seeping into the concrete floor over time. Once the foundation pad is set, the team introduces a central, curved wooden panel. Because a dome structure relies on a precise, consistent radius, this timber piece serves as the primary structural guide for the entire build. The crew carefully aligns and anchors this framework spine to the ground, setting the exact height and curvature for the walls that will soon rise around it. With the guide in position, the main masonry phase begins. Instead of using traditional wooden wall framing, the team manually stacks interlocking, precast concrete blocks along the curve of the template. Piece by piece, the blocks come together like a structural puzzle, gradually forming the spherical shape of the house. Workers climb scaffolding to apply a thick layer of mortar, filling every seam to bond the blocks into a single, cohesive shell. This masonry process requires extreme precision, as each row shifts slightly inward to create the overhead curvature. The team must constantly check the alignment against the center guide to prevent any flat spots or structural deviations. Every block added increases the overall compression of the building, meaning the mortar must cure perfectly to handle the growing weight. Once the main exterior walls are established, the team shifts focus to framing the front entryway. To handle the massive downward weight of the concrete blocks above the door, the crew erects a sturdy wooden support arch and heavy staging. If this structural arch isn't aligned perfectly, the weight of the closing dome could compromise the entrance. Moving inside the structure gives us our first look at the completed geometric interior. Looking up from the center, you can see how the circular block layers systematically close in overhead. To finish the ceiling, workers utilize interior scaffolding to apply a custom mortar blend across every joint, sealing the gaps and smoothing the surface. This eliminates any structural weaknesses and leaves a clean, streamlined finish. As natural light filters in through the front arch, the scale and unique geometry of the layout come together. What began as a flat dirt plot and a sheet of plastic has been completely transformed into a durable, energy-efficient, and modern dome home. Take a look at how the exterior masonry has been fully completed, creating an unyielding outer shell designed to withstand the elements for decades. On the inside, the walls have been smoothly finished with plaster, reflecting the ambient daylight throughout the entire open concept floor plan. The front archway does more than just support the heavy concrete load overhead. It gives the entire property a distinct architectural identity and acts as a massive window that floods the central living zone with natural warmth. Every single ring of masonry has bonded perfectly, proving how precise human labor can turn raw materials into a highly functional geometric sanctuary. The construction journey is officially complete, the site is cleared, and this futuristic home is ready for its new owners. Thank you for watching this breakdown. Make sure to leave a comment with your thoughts on dome architecture, and we will see you on our next building project.